Are you excited about today's episode? In this video, we will discover the top 9 and unique restaurants in Japan. Japan has a rich history that dates back thousands of years, a distinct and attractive culture, excellent food, a lively nightlife, incredible hospitality, and efficiency and cleanliness. Japanese food may surprise you at every turn, from sweet to savory, from noodles to rice, and from traditional to fusion. Each area of Japan has its typical meal as well as its fruits and vegetables. Number 1. Ninja Restaurant Tokyo. Ninja Restaurant Tokyo is a ninja-themed restaurant with superb meals and the best ninja entertainment. Find the path to the hidden ninja village by opening the secret door. Furthermore, you will be astounded by the ninja magic performed by the master ninja. Number 2. ZAUO SHINJUKU. The menu at ZAUO SHINJUKU has several options for preparing your freshly caught fish in a variety of ways. You can select something from the menu that is either quite simple or highly inventive for each fish species. If you appreciate eating fish and other animals, you will most likely find it enjoyable. Number 3. HIRUBON. The experience of HIRUBON is far more valuable than the food. The actual noodles are very tasty, and the culinary experience you have along the way will make your trip one to remember. Number 4. GYUKATSU. The ambiance and way in which food is prepared are undoubtedly enjoyable. This restaurant is, without a doubt, recommended particularly for tourists. Number 5. HINATORIYAMA. This is undoubtedly one of the most exciting restaurants you will ever find in Japan. The food is delivered by boat, and the atmosphere is so peaceful that you can enjoy your dinner without being distracted by outside noises. The food was also delicious, particularly the charcoal grilled dishes that they offered. Number 6. Pepper Parlor. Several robots, including the legendary Pepper, collaborate successfully with human employees at Pepper Parlor. The future will likely see the introduction of some brand new robots. Feel the thrill of being transported to a future populated by robots. Robots will not only assist with taking customer orders, but they will also engage with the customers. At the same time, they are seated at tables, snap photographs, and provide customers with unique and entertaining experiences all around the parlor. Number 7. TSUJIHAN. The freshness of the seafood, the flavor, and the subsequent addition of rice and broth bring everything together to create the ideal dish. Everything about it, from the prepared broth to the rice and soup sprinkles, works wonderfully together. It engages the taste buds on a variety of different levels. PACHI. If you reside in Tokyo or are just traveling through, PACHI offers a unique Japanese dining experience, whether for lunch, supper, a date, or any special event. Customers from other countries may experience Japanese culture and hospitality at PACHI. Number 9. Zen. Renowned for its Japanese cuisine and much sought after by diners, the values of dedication, attractiveness, and precision were the cornerstones on which Zen created its brand. This eatery has earned a reputation for serving mouth-wateringly beautiful meals. And as always, if you want the restaurants list, it's down in the description. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We hope to see you again in the next one.